So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 7 apps that will probably cover all the kinds of wallpapers that are out there and hopefully satisfy your preferences for different kind of wallpapers that exist on the internet today. The first app in the list is called Creative, and if you look at the set of wallpapers that it offers, they are really unique. They're really stunning, they look gorgeous, they look really artistic and graphic and crafty. Think about actual pictures and giving them a comic look. You can of course download these wallpapers. You can span across categories and just look at pictures that you're interested in. You can change the grid layout, but that's a premium feature that you'd have to buy. It's a very small price. Additionally, the app also offers you ideas in terms of how you can customize your home screen. So it'll tell you the icon pack, the wallpaper used, and all of that. So if you use Nova Launcher, you can try that out. And it's got a dark theme to it. Of course, again, that's a premium feature, but small price. And there's a built-in editor. The next app in the list is called Abstruct, and it's absolutely phenomenal. They're stunning, beautiful wallpapers, and as you can see from the design already, they're all abstract. The fun fact is that these wallpapers are made by the guy who literally designed the wallpapers for the OnePlus phones. And these are all similar kinds. You can see that the design tonality is pretty similar, but they're still so different from each other in terms of how the waves are, the texture, the patterns, the colors. And I mean, I don't have to say much, you can see it right in front of you. Now you do get a lot of wallpapers for free. They're really high quality, very crisp, very sharp. Now you can obviously set the wallpaper from within the app on the home screen, the lock screen, or both. You can download them to your gallery as well. You do get like about 70, 80, maybe 100 wallpapers for free. But if you want more of those, you see Pro required, you could just unlock them for a small price. The next app in the list is called Resplash. It's my all-time favorite and I've featured it every time. Now, the best part about this app is that these are actual pictures, actual photographs taken by people. They're all sourced from unsplash.com, so they're all royalty free. And these are phenomenally high quality, they're really great. But the best part about this app is not in its regular pictures, it's in the collections tab. So instead of having categories that generally apps have, which are very boring, right? There's space, there's anime, there's cartoons, there's abstract. These actually have very, very significantly different categories. So it's got patterns and textures, it's got dark and moody, it's got rainy days, it's got something in blurs and motion, like you can see in front of you. So all your pictures belong to that kind of category so the names are really different. So this one's summer plus tropical, so you get all pictures that are summer and tropical. And then you could go into slices of sky, and then you just get shots that are, looking up at the sky. Now within settings, there's of course, there's themes, so you can have the white theme or the black theme. You also get control over what quality of thumbnails, what quality of downloads, and what quality of wallpaper gets applied when you directly apply from within the app. Another cool feature that they've introduced is called auto wallpaper within the app. So if you turn that on, you can set automatic rotation of wallpapers on your home screen and lock screen. So you can set the category. You can obviously choose whether you want it on both home screen, lock screen, or just one of them. And you can set the interval period, how frequently you want those wallpapers to change. The next one is called Tapet. It's a minimal wallpaper generator, which means all these wallpapers are generated on your phone. None of these exist online. None of these are downloaded or fetched. The best part is you could just keep swiping right if you want to retain the color scheme but a different pattern. But let's say you like a pattern and you want to change the color, then you just swipe from left to right. And you can retain the same pattern but just keep changing the color scheme. Now if you want a radically different wallpaper, like different pattern and a different color scheme, just swipe up or swipe down and you'll get a brand new radically different wallpaper. Again, all of these are getting generated real time and they don't really exist. And by the way, you do have access to all the color palettes, so you can have a look at them from over here. And you can move some of these to your My Palette section. So if there's a palette that you really like, you could just move it over here. And needless to say, you can save your wallpaper by tapping that icon. And if you want to apply, just hit the icon in the center and the wallpaper gets applied. Okay, now this one is a more traditional one. I know I've not really talked about traditional wallpaper apps, but if you really wanted one, this is the one to go for. It's called UHD Walls. Love the categories over here, love the app interface. It's really nice, very minimal and easy to use. You can see how well the categories are laid out over here. And if you're looking for wallpapers by a certain color that you prefer, you could do that as well, and it'll show you all wallpapers by that color. Now, if you go into a category, of course, you get all the nice wallpapers. They're all high resolution, really crisp quality. They're stunning, actually. And of course, if you want to apply a wallpaper, you could favorite that. You could download and save it in your gallery. And you see the resolution, damn high. So you get really high quality wallpapers, as I said. And you can set the blur level before you apply it. The second last one in the list is Wavero Live Wallpaper. You can see why I like it. A, it's interactive, so depending on how you move the phone or touch the wallpaper, it reacts and interacts with you. So really nice. Now, a lot of the features are actually in the Pro mode, but you do get a couple of patterns for free. So if you see that there are 31 patterns that you could apply, and that'll respect your choice. But gradients, color schemes, which are actually the more fun features, are locked. So you're going to have to unlock them for a small cost. But even the free version, you could have it applied onto your home screen for a couple of days and you would really enjoy it. But I would highly recommend that you go onto this developer's Play Store page. There are a lot of these live wallpapers, all high quality. So give them a shot and I'm sure you would love them. And the last app in the list is called Walloop Engine. And there's only one reason that it made it to this top 7 list. It's because of minimal live wallpapers. They're just so good. Just the idea of having these as animated, simple, minimal wallpapers on your home screen or on your lock screen is so good. Now, a lot of these are free and some of them seem to be locked, but all you have to do is watch ads and then you could unlock them. But they're just so good. Now you could go inside menu and look at live wallpapers. There are more than just live minimal wallpapers. There's just so many of them. So you don't have to be stuck to minimal as an approach, but definitely check it out. Really good. So guys, when it comes to wallpapers, I think these 7 apps pretty much cover the base in terms of how different and varied wallpaper tastes and categories can be. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.